vitamins, and your skin. Unlocking radiant skin, the vitamin advantage. When it comes to achieving that coveted, healthy, glowing complexion, vitamins are your secret weapon. Whether you're looking to combat aging, fight environmental damage, or simply maintain your skin's natural beauty, understanding the power of vitamins can transform your skincare routine. Let's dive into the most potent vitamins that can revolutionize your skin health, both from the inside out and through targeted topical treatments. Vitamin A, the regeneration champion. Arguably the most powerful vitamin for skin transformation. Vitamin A retinol is a game changer. When taken orally or applied topically, it stimulates and accelerates skin cell turnover, reduces fine lines, and helps combat acne. Topical retinoids can dramatically improve skin texture, minimize pore size, and even out skin tone. Oral supplements support skin renewal from within, boost immune function, and help regulate oil production, all of which gives you clearer, healthier skin and promotes a more youthful complexion. Vitamin C, your brightening ally. Think of vitamin C as your skin's personal bodyguard. This potent antioxidant protects against free radical damage, brightens complexion, and boosts collagen production. Vitamin C is a powerhouse antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals caused by UV exposure or pollutions. Topical vitamin C serums visibly reduce hyperpigmentation, sun damage, fade dark spots, and boosts collagen production, while oral supplements brighten the skin and support your skin's natural defense mechanisms. For those seeking a luminous, even-toned complexion, vitamin C is non-negotiable. Vitamin C taken orally supports the skin's natural defense system, promotes wound healing, and reduces systemic inflammation. Vitamin D is known as the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is critical for skin cell growth and repair. While moderate sun exposure helps your body produce vitamin D naturally, using creams enriched with this nutrient can further enhance your skin's ability to heal and stay hydrated. Oral supplementation is especially beneficial for those living in low sunlight areas. Vitamin E, the moisture miracle. Hydration meets protection with vitamin E. This incredible nutrient helps lock in moisture, supports skin functions, and provides powerful antioxidant protection. Vitamin E is known for its hydrating and healing properties. Vitamin E is a key player in maintaining skin elasticity. It works as an emollient, keeping your skin soft and supple. Topical vitamin E creams soothe dry, irritated skin and reduce scars. Taken orally, it supports overall skin health by improving the body's ability to retain moisture. Oral supplements contribute to overall skin health, and it is particularly beneficial for those struggling with dry patches, fine lines, and environmental skin stress. The B vitamins, unsung heroes. The B vitamin complex, particularly B3 niacinamide and B5 panthenol, offer remarkable skin benefits. Niacinamide reduces inflammation, minimizes pore size, and regulates oil production. Topical B vitamins can calm irritated skin, while oral supplements support overall skin health and resilience. Maximizing your vitamin strategy. For optimal results, consider a holistic approach. Incorporate a balanced diet rich in vitamin-packed foods. Use high-quality topical treatments with targeted vitamin formulations. Consider supplements if you have any nutritional gaps. The microdermabrasion advantage. Microdermabrasion treatments significantly enhance topical vitamin absorption. By gently removing dead skin cells in the skin's keratinized layer and creating microchannels, these treatments allow vitamin-rich serums and creams to penetrate more deeply and more quickly, maximizing their transformative potential. Remember, beautiful skin reflects overall health. By strategically incorporating vitamins into your skincare routine, you're not just treating your skin, you are actually nurturing it, which is optimum. Ready to unlock your skin's hidden potential? Your journey to radiant, healthy skin often starts with the power of vitamins. Vitamins have long been celebrated as essential building blocks for overall health, but their role in skincare is equally notable. Whether taken orally, PO, or applied through topical creams, vitamins can revolutionize the way your skin looks, feels, and ages. At REFRESHEN Microdermabrasion, we understand the profound impact that these nutrients have on skin health. which is why our products incorporate vitamin-rich ingredients to help you achieve a radiant complexion. PO, or topical creams, which is best. Both oral supplementation and topical application have unique benefits. Oral vitamins provide systemic support, nourishing the skin from within and addressing potential deficiencies. Topical creams, on the other hand, deliver concentrated nutrients directly to the skin, targeting specific concerns like wrinkles, dark spots, or dryness. At REFRESHEN Microdermabrasion, we believe in combining both approaches for optimal results. Our microdermabrasion creams are infused with vitamin E, C, and skin-nurturing botanicals like aloe and grapeseed oil to amplify your skincare regimen. Coupling these with a healthy diet rich in vitamins ensures your skin gets the best of both worlds. Glow from the inside out. Incorporating vitamins into your skincare routine is not just a trend, it's a scientifically backed method for achieving radiant, youthful skin. By taking a holistic approach and combining oral vitamins with REFRESHEN's vitamin-infused creams, you're giving your skin the nourishment it needs to thrive. Explore our range of microdermabrasion products and discover how the power of vitamins and microdermabrasion can transform your skincare journey. Your skin deserves nothing less than the best.